Alright guys, so I hate, and I mean I hate dealing with the POR15 on the inside, but this weather here in Wisconsin, it just ain't cooperating. Alright guys, so hey, I put a mask on here. Well, I'm gonna put a mask on. And start off with just put one coat on, and I'm gonna come in and put another coat on. But the thing about this POR15, guys, is once you open the can up, it's best to use it within a month or so. The stuff will go bad. So this is a gallon. I got enough to make sure I got a frame that I got to do. So I got quite a bit of work. So I'm going to be using these POR15 up right away. We're trying to before it go bad. So anyway, guys, you've seen I did all of the prep for this already. So yeah, this stuff is so expensive. I remember 20 years ago when I first started using this stuff. I think it was a lot better back then too. But stuff is so expensive now, guys, that I want to make sure I use every little bit of this that I have here. So I'm going to start off, guys. I'm going to just put a nice coat on here, spread it out. Now these brushes that I use, oftentimes a lot of the bristles will come off here. So I like to try to get them out of here just because it makes the job look better. But this is the floor, especially on the frame, but even on the floors here, guys, I just like trying to get all my bristles off of there. So now I just come in, I'm gonna just wipe this POR15 down on you guys. Alright guys, see, I got the POR15 rust preventive coating on there. If you notice, I'm only painting where the rust is at with the POR15 rust treatment. And that's because the POR15, you don't put that over paint. I mean, it's on some of the painted surface that's overlapping just slightly, but I try to make sure I keep it mostly on the rusted areas. Now I'm gonna come through with the black, the top coat, and get all of this POR15 in there, guys. So, all right. So that's how those floors, they come out pretty good. You remember I had, you know, minor pinholes in certain areas, like right there, or holes, and I put that sealer on there, seam sealer, heavy duty. It was some right in that area there. So it's going over this, and then I'll go over it on the bottom with the POR15 too, and it's just going to seal those areas off, guys. All right, I'm coming in with this top coat. Alright, so I kind of put, just like all other paint, just like a slim skim coat, just get that on there. Now I come in with a thicker coat this second time here. Alright, so those floors are pretty much done. I still got a few spots that I gotta hit. But those floors are all POR15 and the 70 Wildcat, guys. So just recapping, you degrease, clean, and then you spray it down with the acid treatment. You wash it all out. You know, when you degrease it, you spray it down, wash it out. You spray the metal prep in there. POR15 makes their own, according to which route you want to go. You spray that in there, wash it down, let it dry. Then I came over with the POR15 gray and let that sit overnight. Then I came in and started with the black top coat. So those floors are pretty much done, guys. I just gotta let them dry. I got another day or so here when I take it into the glass shop and have the glass put in it. Gotta see if it's raining, because it's gotta get me inside, get the rear window put in. I got one more thing to do before I take it there. But pretty much, guys, that's it in a nutshell there. So, alright. All things good, guys. You like these videos, like, share, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. I say, you know, you watched the 70 Wildcat hardtop build, and I put the bucket, built the bucket seat brackets for the 70 Wildcat bucket seats, guys. So I'm putting the shifter and column in here. I might not get it in this year, but it will be set up for that. The shifter and stuff might be in here, just I might not have the cable. I'm gonna have to do something with the steering column, either take that shifter piece off and fiberglass around there and body work it. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that, because I doubt if I can find a steering column for this, but we'll see as the time comes. Alright, guys, like these videos, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. All things good, guys. 70 Wildcat hardtop. Alright.